Hey guys, me Suxor. Proud to say I got it. Collector's edition of Spider-Man. You got the side, the back art, other side, the top. Whoop, there we go. And of course the bottom. It's a box in a box. We're gonna take it out. And this is the box inside. Some art. You can see it wraps around. It's pretty cool. Except the back is Spider, and then the other side is wrapped to the other side, so you can see the city, the top, nothing on the bottom. And then let's see what's inside this. All right, well packaged. Let's see. Warnings. Contain spoilers. Do not open until story is completed. Just a nice little warning card. And it must be talking about this art book, which I won't open because of it. Tin cover. Blank on the outside. Of course you have the game. The manual. There we go. Sorry about the glare. Take this out. And it's, wow, has a cover inside a cover. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. There we go. Spider-Man. All around. Look at that. Look at the detail. Wow. Glorious. But it's really sweet. The art, just the look of this, it's a nice masterpiece to add to my collection. I'm excited about it. The detail you can see in the suit. Yeah, it's really neat. Little bit of mess up on his mask area, unfortunately, so it's not perfect. But overall, I'm really happy with this. So hopefully, the game is awesome, which I expect it to be, and I'm not going to regret buying $150 collectors. But that's the collector's edition opening of it. I'll see you guys next time, or see you on stream. Sucks are out. Bye, guys.